Hello and welcome. Going more in depth with report layouts, let's take a look at selecting the layout that's best for your solution. Now let's try and find out a little bit more about where this report is being selected and where the layout is being chosen. Now, if we click on the search button, it is possible to search for the reports that are being used when and generated in each document. So in this case, the sales quote. So we're going to go for the report selection sales, this being a sales document. So if we open the report selection sales, it is possible to see here that we have many different documents available. Now we are interested in the quote, so we're going to select that. And we're going to see here that the report that is being called when we select print to print a quote is report number 1304. This is the standard Business Central report for sales quotes. It is possible if, for example, a different report is being created with different fields, pulling data from somewhere else, to select the report here. So we would go ahead and click here and select a new report here. This is the first part that is important to understand. Once we have made the selection of the report here, we have to then choose what layout, so how the data is going to be presented when this report is ran. To do that, it is possible to go in the report layout selection. Now, the first thing to notice is that we have the option to select what company this layout is going to affect. In this case, we have only one, but if you have multiple ones, it is important to select the correct company. Once we have that, we can look for the report number that we have selected for the sales quote, which we know being 1304. And you see now that here we can choose what type of layout we want to use. It is possible to use a standard one or to associate a custom layout that has been defined. Now, in this case, we have a few different custom layouts that already exist. So if we go ahead and click, we'll see that there are many different layouts that have been designed for the sales quote. This is the standard one, but we could choose a different one. For example, let's choose the red one here. Click OK. You'll see this has changed the selection here. Now, if we go back to our quote now and we click on print and we click the preview, you'll notice that the data contained on the layout is still exactly the same, but the format has changed because we have changed a different layout. These are the pre-built one that exists, but it is obviously possible to change the layout yourself and create your own. How is that done? Well, more on that in the next video. Thanks for watching this video from NAV SEAL. Check out more right here. NAV SEAL offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution. So if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.